Hello, trader. Hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So, beginning of the London session, we can see that XAUUSD, after long consolidation, started to break out at the moment, and we see that the major trend is up, and the market may started to revert back in the major direction of the trend, and lower time frame could give us significant trading opportunity. So before we look at how we can enter in this market, let's look at again a higher time frame, monthly chart as usual. And as we have seen in quite a few analysis, XAUUSD from the monthly perspective is bullish. Now this current monthly candle is almost at the end of the month, and if we look at the overall health of this monthly candlestick pattern, we can see that this is a very strongly bull market. Especially, we saw that there was a gap open in the beginning of the month. And it is said that when you look at the morning, you can expect or you can predict the day. We can see the beginning of the opening of the monthly candle. There wasn't any further attempt from the seller after this gap test in this market is showing that there is a strong bullish pressure. The sellers couldn't break this low, and throughout the month we saw that there was a significant bullish trend lower time frame. Currently, the market is showing a healthy bullish candle, and we could see that XAUUSD may continue to rise to create a new higher high. So, from the bigger picture, monthly is bullish. Now, scaling down to the weekly chart, this is weekly move here, and we can see that quite a few weeks significant bullish except this red candle. Now there were a lot of traders has trapped in that areas. This is a bearish angle for thinking the market will drop here, and probably you guys have seen our weekly forex forecast. This is what I also mentioned, that it was a fake drop, which is in fact a strong liquidity grab. A smart money gathered that liquidity in that area, and from that zone the market started to again bounce back up to create a new higher high. Now this is the previous weekly candle. We saw there was a long wick at the top, so there is a more pullback. After that pullback, we can see the price again potentially bouncing back to the upside, and we may see the price is heading to the weekly resistance line, possibility to see for the new higher high or at least a retest of this weekly level. Now dropping down to the daily, this is where the price action is creating series of higher low. This is the daily trend here. Every day the market is forming series of higher low in that area, and previous daily candle we saw that there was an attempt from the bulls in that long term bull market. We saw a momentum gain here forming this inverted head and shoulder, followed by doji and another more pullback. Now what we see that here in that area from the daily, as long wick at the top, the market formed that series of higher low here, and with that series of higher low formation, it's potentially moving back up to create a new higher high. So there is a long wick, and also this is a complete imbalance in the market, and is it started to move in the major direction of the trend, and we can expect now XAUSD to move back at least to 250 pip or even to create a new higher high. So monthly, weekly, and daily aligning for potential bullish entry or bullish trend here. Now this is the daily support. Now let's see how the market is evolving on the intraday time frame. Now 4 hour chart is, this is the candle which is closing in 50 minutes from this time of recording, and this is a quite significant price action. As we can see, the market is breaking out of this triangular pattern, and which is in fact quite important. As we can see, this is a pattern here where the market formed that triangle, and it's just breaking out of the triangular pattern, which is a potentially a starting of new uptrend here after this pullback. Liquidity grab multiple times we saw here, there is a strong liquidity grab, and also we see that continuous series of higher low, giving a high probability for XAUSD to potentially to trend to the upside to create a new higher high. This is where you will be waiting for lower time frame pullback. If we look at the 1 hour chart, here is we can see back to back 4 hour impulse here, a pretty strong impulse, expecting now a deeper pullback with a new momentum in that area. Now this is where we will be waiting for potential entry opportunity. As this is a very stronger impulse, we might see along the way a couple of trades on the lower time frame. After a pullback and break of structure, we can look for entry. So this is where any update traders also will be posting very soon. Make sure you give a thumbs up and also stay connected by joining the Telegram channel. You can link below this video. Also visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. You can find link below this video. Currently, we are having 95% off, which is ending very soon. To join the mentorship, to learn and to grow as a trader with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, including all the trading tools and courses available with the live trading room access. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon. Stay well, stay happy.